My week, hi, my name is Ahila. I'm 11 years old. On weekday, I go to school by bus. On Monday, I go swimming in the pool with my sister. On Tuesday, I go for a walk with my MLM. On Wednesday, I listen to music and dance with my friend. On Tuesday, I read a book in the garden. On Friday, I watch movies and eat popcorn with my family. On weekend, I visit my grandparents. They live in a village. On Saturday, I climb trees and ride a bike. On Sunday, I help my granny. Thank you. Bye.